Sometimes I like to have a dessert for breakfast, preferably one that will have a decent amount of protein. I am going to need 1 large apple. I like Golden Delicious. They are sweet and crunchy, just great for baking. Thin slices. I am going to caramelize the slices. For that I need butter and brown sugar. Stir and sprinkle some cinnamon. Start laying the slices on the pan right away. Make sure the pan is on low heat so the apples and sugar don't burn. You want to hear the sizzle. For the batter, I will need oats. I grinded them previously in a NutriBullet to a fine flour. I wanted this dessert to be as high in protein as possible, so I will replace 1 egg with liquid egg whites. So I'm using just an egg and liquid egg whites. Cottage cheese for extra protein. Blend it. Combine oats with the wet ingredients. Vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of a sweetener, pour the dough on the apples. Cover it up on low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. Watch how the dough is setting slowly. The dough feels about right. It's time to flip. I want to make sure nothing sticks to the pan. I am going to use a plate to flip the cake on it and then slide it carefully back on the pan. It is a bit tricky process. I succeeded this time, but there were few that did not work out so well. Cook for 5 more minutes to brown the bottom. Check out these caramelized apples. They look so good. And the smell is just incredible. You can share it and cut it up, or you can enjoy the whole thing by yourself. 900 calories and 49 grams of protein for the whole thing. Not too bad for a dessert. For more recipes like this one, check out this group of videos, and that's where I'm going to see you next.